Thomas, you must go to the Soldor's
Sodor's Castle. Come on, Thomas. You have a job to do.
Where did I put my other yellow
King's army? But look out. There is a very bad fire-breathing dragon that is going to get us all if we're not careful. Ah!
Okay. Got it.
Do not enter.
Ah! I got your fire. Oh!
Oh.
Know that there was a secret treasure at the castle. So the knights have to try to get the treasure. We got it! We got it! Let's go! Let's roll!
Get hooked. He has to carry his cookies.
Oh, Thomas, we're falling off the track!
This has to go like that.
The other knights come to help out. They support the train. And then they jump on. Oh! Look up ahead!
Victor, help! Look up! Look up!
We'll wait. I'm going up the stairs. I am defending the castle. Ouch! Hey, there's my horse! Jump on, horse!
He's trying to get onto the train.
I'm on the horse! We're flying! The dragon is dead! Yay!
No, he's not this time.
Look! Oh, he's asleep! Oh no! He's back alive!
Nathan, is he a friendly dragon?
No,
What kind of dragon is he?
he is a bad dragon.
What does he do?
He's going to try to hug himself.
Is he practicing yoga?
Karate!
Sir Topham Hatt told Thomas what a fine job he had done delivering the king's gold.
Now we're supposed to...
Thomas, you are a very useful engine.